Inverter is one of the main components of PV solar system. It is therefore of utmost importance to choose the correct type of solar inverter, which depends on your energy needs, budget, and location. There are three types of solar inverters, which are 1. On-grid solar, grid-tied inverters. They are used in solar energy systems that are connected to the utility grid. These inverters feed power to connected loads and utility grid. In this way, on-grid solar inverters help homeowners to reduce their electricity bills by generating solar power and feeding the excess power back into the grid. Additionally, on-grid solar inverters doesn't require battery backup, therefore these inverters are relatively simple and cost-effective. One drawback of on-grid inverter is that it stops supplying power to the grid in case of utility blackout. 2. Off-grid solar, standalone inverters. These inverters are not connected to the grid. These inverters directly supply power to the connected loads and batteries to maintain backup, which is utilized during night or cloudy day. This means that off-grid solar inverters are more complex and expensive than on-grid inverters. 3. Hybrid solar inverters. Hybrid solar inverters are a combination of on-grid and off-grid solar inverters. They are designed for use in solar energy systems that are connected to the grid but also have a battery backup. Hybrid solar inverters can switch between on-grid and off-grid modes depending on the availability of solar power and the condition of the grid. When the grid is available, hybrid solar inverters feed excess power back into the grid, and when the grid is not available, they use the battery bank to power household appliances. Hybrid solar inverters are more expensive than on-grid inverters but less expensive than off-grid inverters. Conclusion. As you can see, each type of solar inverter has its own unique advantages and disadvantages. Essential to consider your energy needs, budget and location when choosing the right solar inverter for your solar energy system.